What is benefits of data science in business? Businesses today are driven by data. Data science revolutionized the way businesses operate, making them smarter and more efficient. Imagine predicting customer behavior, tailoring services to individual needs. Data science makes this possible. It eliminates guesswork, providing evidence-based decision-making. This greatly reduces business risks and enhances performance. Data science also identifies trends and patterns, enabling businesses to predict future outcomes. This gives a competitive edge. So, harness the power of data science. Because in today's world, data-driven businesses are leading the race.